If you are a real estate agent spending hours every week answering the same questions from buyers and sellers, I want to show you something that is going to change your business completely. Claude AI can handle those repetitive FAQs for you automatically, so you get your time back without ever dropping the ball on a client. Think about the questions you get every single day from buyers asking about the home buying process, timelines, down payments, and inspection steps, and from sellers wondering how to price their home, what repairs to make, and how long it will take to close. These are the questions that eat up your most valuable hours. Inside Claude AI, you can create what is essentially a custom FAQ brain for your business, and all you have to do is give it the right instructions once. You will start by opening Claude and writing a detailed system prompt that tells it exactly who you are, who your clients are, and what your market specializes in. Your system prompt is where all the magic happens, and here is exactly what to include: your name, your brokerage, your city or region, your tone of voice, and a full list of the most common questions your clients ask along with your preferred answers. The more detail you give Claude here, the smarter and more accurate its responses will be. For buyer FAQs, you might include questions like, how much do I need for a down payment? How long does closing take? And what is earnest money used for? Claude will answer each one in your voice, with your market in mind, giving clients accurate and reassuring information at any hour of the day. For seller FAQs, you can train Claude to answer things like, how do you determine my listing price? Should I stage my home before listing? And what happens if I get multiple offers? Instead of you stopping what you are doing to type out a reply, Claude already has your answer ready and waiting. Here is a real example of how this works in practice. You can paste a new client inquiry directly into your Claude conversation and ask it to respond to this buyer question using my FAQ guidelines and my tone. Within seconds, you have a polished, professional reply that sounds exactly like you wrote it yourself. You can even take this further by using Claude to build a full FAQ document that you upload to your website, send as a welcome packet to new leads, or paste into your email autoresponder sequences. One session with Claude can produce weeks' worth of client education content that builds trust before you ever get on a call. The real power here is that this system works for you at midnight, just as well as it does at noon, and every single answer reflects your expertise and your market. Buyers and sellers feel heard and informed immediately, which means they trust you more and are far more likely to move forward with you as their agent. You now have a real system for using Claude AI to answer buyer and seller FAQs automatically. And this is just the beginning of what AI can do for your business. If you would like my free guide, just comment Claude and I will send it right to you.